Welcome to XDC.farm, farming instructional video. Go to your wallet. You need XTT. Go to XSwap DEX. Perform XDC XTT swap. Swap. Confirm swap. Confirm. Close. Go back to XDC.farm. Click on XTT XDC. Enable. Confirm. Stake LP. We don't have LP, so click on Get XTT XDC, add liquidity. Approve XTT. Confirm. Supply. Confirm supply. Confirm. Close. Go back to XDC.farm. Click on XTT XDC. Stake LP. Max. Confirm. Confirm. Congratulations! You have now staked your LP. Start earning rewards and harvest them whenever you want, or you may add more LP to earn more XTT.